Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with SMG, the channel where learning English is easy, fun, and relaxing. Today, we have a fun and interesting story for you. Sam and Emma are going to a fast food restaurant together. You will hear a real and natural English conversation that is slow and clear, perfect for beginners. But something funny happens with Sam's order at the restaurant. Here is today's question. What does Sam order, and why does he change his mind later? Listen carefully to the story and try to find the answer. Then write your answer in the comments below. All right, are you ready? Let's start the story.
Wow, it's busy today.
Yes, there are so many people here.
Don't worry, the line moves fast.
Okay, good. I'm very hungry.
Me too. I didn't eat breakfast today.
Emma, that's not good for you.
I know.
So, what is this place called again?
It's called Burger Barn.
Burger Barn. I like that name.
It's my favorite fast food place.
Really? What's good here?
Everything, but the burgers are the best.
Okay, let's look at the menu. Whoa, there are so many things.
I know. It can be confusing at first.
What is a combo meal?
Good question.
What does combo mean?
A combo meal means you get a burger, fries, and a drink together. One price.
Oh, that's good value.
Yes, it's cheaper than buying everything separately.
I see. Okay, so a combo is burger plus fries plus drink?
Exactly. You learn fast, Sam.
Thank you, Teacher Emma.
Anytime.
Okay, I want the Big Barn Burger combo.
Good choice. That's my favorite, too.
What size should I get?
What do you mean?
It says small, medium, and large.
Oh, right. The size is for the fries and drink.
I see. Which size is good?
Medium is enough. Large is too much food.
Okay, medium combo then.
Good. I will get the crispy chicken combo. Medium also.
What is crispy?
Crispy means the food is hard and crunchy on the outside.
Like crunch? That sound?
Yes, exactly like that sound.
I love crispy food.
Me too.
Now I want the chicken too.
Sam, you just chose the burger.
I know, but the chicken sounds delicious.
Okay. Change your order.
No, I will stay with the burger. Final answer.
Are you sure?
Yes, final answer. Burger.
Okay, let's go order.
Hi, welcome to Burger Barn. What can I get for you?
Hi, I'll have the crispy chicken combo. Medium size, please.
Sure. And what drink would you like?
Orange juice, please.
Perfect. And for you? Perfect. And for you?
Hi? I will have the Big Barn Burger combo. Medium size.
Great. What drink for you?
What drinks do you have?
We have cola, orange juice, lemon soda, and water.
I will have lemon soda, please.
Sure. Is that everything?
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
Your total is $12.50.
I'll pay for mine. Sam, do you have cash?
Emma, what does total mean?
Total means the full amount of money you need to pay.
Ah, okay. So $12.50 is the total for both of us?
No, $12.50 is the total for both orders together.
Oh, I see. So $6.25 each?
Something like that, yes.
English and math at the same time. Very hard.
You're doing great.
Order number 47.
That's us. I'll get the tray.
Okay, here we go. Enjoy your meal, Sam.
Thank you. You too. Oh, wow.
Good.
Emma, this is amazing.
I told you.
It's so juicy. What does juicy mean exactly?
Juicy means the food has a lot of liquid inside. It's not dry.
Yes, the burger is very juicy. I love it.
And my chicken is so crispy. Perfect.
Can I try one piece?
Of course.
Oh no.
What's wrong?
This chicken is better than my burger.
I knew it.
Why didn't I order the chicken?
Because you said final answer, burger.
I made a mistake.
Next time, Sam, next time.
Yes, next time, chicken. Final answer. Emma, what is the sauce on my burger?
Let me see. I think that's special burger sauce.
It's very tasty. What is in it?
I'm not sure. Maybe ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise mixed together.
What is mustard?
Mustard is a yellow sauce. It has a strong, sharp taste.
Sharp taste? Like spicy?
A little, but different from spicy. It's more tangy.
Tangy.
Tangy means a little sour, a little sharp, like lemon but stronger.
Ah, like my lemon soda.
Yes, kind of like that.
I understand. Tangy. Good word.
You're learning so many words today.
Fast food and English lessons. 2 for 1.
Exactly.
Emma, I have a problem.
What happened?
I think they forgot my fries.
What? Let me check. You're right. No fries. We need to tell them.
Is that okay? Can we go back?
Of course. We paid for it. Let's go.
Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you.
Yes? How can I help? I ordered a medium combo, but I didn't receive my fries. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me check. You're right. I'm so sorry. I'll get those fries for you right away. Thank you very much. Again, I apologize for the mistake. No problem. It happens.
Sam, that was very good English.
Really?
Yes, you were polite. You said, "Excuse me," and "I'm sorry to bother you."
I was nervous.
But you did it. That's real English, real life English.
Thank you, Emma. Finally, my fries are here.
Try them quickly. They're best when they're hot.
Perfect. Hot and salty. I love fries.
Me too. They are my weakness.
What does weakness mean here?
It means I love fries too much. I can't stop eating them.
Oh, your weakness is fries. My weakness is everything on this menu.
Same, Sam, same.
Are you full?
Very full. I don't think I can walk.
It wasn't that much food.
For me, it was. I usually eat very little.
Well, today you ate like a champion.
A burger champion.
A burger champion. Emma, today was really fun.
I agree. And you learned a lot of new words.
Yes, let me remember. I learned combo meal, burger plus fries plus drink, crispy, hard and crunchy on the outside, juicy, full of liquid inside, not dry, total, the full amount of money, tangy, a little sour, a little sharp, weakness, something you love too much.
Excellent. That's 6 new words from one meal.
Best English lesson ever.
And the best part?
The food.
Exactly.
Emma, next time I'm ordering the chicken.
I knew you'd say that.
Final answer. Chicken. No changes.
We'll see, Sam. We'll see.
Now, let's go back to today's question. The question was, what does Sam order at the restaurant? And why does he change his mind? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. I love reading your answers. And that's the end of today's story. Thank you so much for watching. You are amazing for practicing your English today. Every time you listen, you get better, I promise. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing. Keep going. You've got this. Bye for now.